You got taser! You got taser! Alright, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hands behind your back! Behind your back!
Sheriff's office! Hey, Sheriff's office.
Yep.
Did you guys call? Where's Kyle at?
He's in the house. He's okay. He had a panic attack.
Alright, we got the EMS is here. Want to check some out, alright?
He says he doesn't want to be seen now.
We got to make sure he's alright, okay? Because if he's overdosing on anything, we don't want him to die.
He's not overdosing on anything. He was having a panic attack. His sugar glider just died.
Man, I'm just telling you, I need to go in the house. If EMS wants to check him out, okay? Alright? Alright, just hang out down here for me, alright? Kyle! Kyle! Sheriff's office, we're here to help. Are you able to open the door and let us in?
I don't have a key.
You don't have a key? Alright, well, we need to make sure he's alright. We're not going anywhere, man. We gotta make sure you're alright. Just come to the door. EMS wants to check you out. They were just inside. They just don't want to let me in because they know he's got a warrant. So that's why they don't want to let us in.
I can't let you in.
Yeah, but you're his dad. You were just. How do you know him then? Friends. Okay, well, you just came from the trailer, and now you closed the door. You can let me in.
How can I let you in when you locked the door behind me?
Come to the door. So is he taking cocaine, or what's he taking that he's feeling that way? They're saying that he's conscious and breathing and alert, but don't want to let us in because he knows he has a warrant and doesn't want to go to jail. So that's the dilemma we're at. You're under arrest. If you don't open the door, we're gonna bust it down. So here's the deal. So we need to talk to him and make contact with him, or we're gonna kick the door down and we're gonna go in there. Okay. All right, take it back. She's gonna let us in this side. Where would he be at if he's in there? Because we need to make sure he's all right.
Can we just stay right here?
Brian or Kyle? He's gonna be Kyle. 60. We'll be making entry.
He's not in here.
So we gotta clear the residence, okay? Did you mention leaving it all, going anywhere?
No.
At this point, I'll have you just wait outside, and we're gonna clear the residence and make sure, because I don't know what's gonna happen. He said he was on cocaine.
He said he thought he was having an overdose on cocaine.
So this is Mom. She owns the trailer. She let us in the door, and she believes that he's still in here.
What?
This is just precautionary. So.
Okay. All right. Can you just wait outside for us, just on this entryway? I just don't want anything to happen. All right.
Sheriff's office, not just now. We're here to check on your welfare. Right here he is. You got him. Hey man, it's Deputy Huth. We're just here to check on you, buddy.
Just show us your hands around the corner, man.
Can you just show us your hands, buddy?
You just show us your hands.
Shoot me. We're not going to shoot you.
We're not going to shoot you.
We don't want. We just want to help you, man.
60. We're in contact with him inside.
Okay, we're just making sure you're okay. Can you show me your hands, buddy?
Why?
Because I just want to make sure I go home to my family, and I want to make sure you go home to your family.
Don't rush me.
No,
Show us your hands, dude.
One person.
Cooperate, please.
Sandy, just go shoot me then.
No, we're not going to. Why would we shoot you?
Dude's got a laser pointer out. Might as well just end it right now.
It's not a laser. Well, it is a laser, but
Yeah.
it's not for shooting people. So.
Is there a taser at the other end of that laser?
Well, we don't want to do that, buddy. We're here to make sure you're okay.
And I'm doing just fine.
Okay, can you just take your hands out just so we can see
No.
it? What's your name?
I don't have one.
But you also have to understand I got a job to do, right?
And your job is, am I okay? I would say yes, I'm okay. So job successfully completed.
All right.
Brian, look at me, okay? You're under arrest at this point, okay? We're telling you that right now. You're under arrest, all right? We were here to check you out. Just show us your hands. Hey, get down!
Bro,
Show us your hands!
shoot me.
Show us your hands!
No, man. What the f am I being arrested for at this point?
You have a warrant for your arrest, okay?
Dude, no. Absolutely not.
What?
No.
All right, you need to show us your hands right now, dude.
Someone better take their hands off and wrestle me right now, bro.
We're not going to do that, man. We just want to settle this.
No. How about I talk to this guy?
We listen to Mom.
Mom?
Kyle? Kyle?
I need a good shot at this.
You have no idea right now, bro. I'm just not even in the mood, bro.
Kyle?
Get him.
Please don't. Can you please cooperate?
Just cooperate with us, man.
Dude, no, man.
You should go get him.
What is there to cooperate for? So I go sit in a f***ing cop car?
Last chance, man.
For what?
It sounds like you're
Just talk to us.
Bring my mom here, man.
She's talking to us right now. Just go down and you need to show us your hands, man.
Bro, no, man. First off, the ambulance is called, and I haven't even seen an ambulance guy.
You got a shot.
I
Dude.
did say something.
Taser!
Hands behind your back! Behind your back!
Bro!
Hey, come on!
Give us your hand!
Bro!
Stop!
Stop resisting!
Stop resisting or you're going to get knee strikes, okay? And I don't want to do that.
Why'd you have to call the cops right away?
I didn't. I called the ambulance.
That you know damn well who comes with.
You told me to call them.
No, I didn't.
Tyler, you did.
I told you no.
All right, man. Are you hurt?
Yeah,
We got EMS here, okay? Let's check you out. We gotta just search and make sure no weapons, so let's roll them towards us.
That's my mom.
Man.
Let's stand them up.
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Go to your right.
I wanted to see my mom get my life.
Here.
I don't trust any of them. He's got them. I need
We got them right here. Dude,
Hold on, bro. I'm trying
what
to
are you reaching for?
You already searched me my f***ing keys, bro.
We didn't worry about that later.
all this on my mom.
I've been f***ing jumped by cops so many f***ing times.
Just take a deep breath, buddy.
No, man, I don't f***ing trust any of you. Y'all in a f***ing gang together, bro. You guys have the biggest f***ing gang in the country. You guys are
Just stop right here. Alright. How much is that bond for resist?
$263.50.
Oh, for resist, that's what? 4.
Resisting is 3.
Do you have like $550, $600?
But I have that much money. I didn't even resist. You guys just barged in on me. What the f*** did I do to resist? Just take all your chest cameras to court right now.
Alright.
How? That is pathetic. And you know damn well it is. You're just a bullshit ticket, huh?
Because you resisted us. He told you you're under arrest. You said you wanted to fight us. He told us we should take our badges off, and you wanted to fight with us right there.
You don't even know what the kind of weekend I've had, man. Like,
Well, I'll chat to you a little bit more in a bit, okay?
Did he break anything in there that you have criminal damage property charges, or does she not want to?
He punched a wall in there when he was behind there, like kicked it, so I haven't looked in there to see.
Whose house is it, Mom's?
It's Mom's house, yeah.
If she wants to press charges, I mean.
She probably won't, but can you stand by with him? Was Mom inside yet?
I talked to her already.
Okay. So did he break the wall at all that she'd want criminal damage? Doesn't care.
She doesn't want to do anything.
DC, resist, and the warrant.
Road, off of Town Hall Road.
Huth. He's got a felony open.
can we at least talk about the charges I'm getting right now? Like, I did not resist.
We got resisted obstructing, it's a misdemeanor. We got disorderly conduct, misdemeanor bail jumping, and felony bail jumping, and then you have your warrant. That's where we're at.
How? But I'm not even in my right state of mind right now. I'm freaking out.
All right, we're gonna go get you some help, okay?
Bro, come on, man. Can you turn that light off, dude? Like, come on, dude. Bro.
Kyle was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and both felony and misdemeanor bail jumping. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
What's up, buddy? What are you doing?
What's up, bro?
Huh? What's up with you? Huh?
Not much, brother.
Not much? What you doing?
Not much.
Huh?
Not much. I thought you were,
Thought I was what? What are you doing? Don't quit moving around.
Hey,
What you got in your hands? Huh? What's your name? What you doing out here?
I'm saying you're waiting on my friend.
You waiting on a friend? Who's your friend?
You know?
No, I don't.
I said, no.
Nuno. Okay. You got anything on here? No? You don't mind if I look in the bag?
Yeah.
All right.
What you been up to, man? When'd you get out?
2 weeks now.
2 weeks ago? Did you bond out or?
No, they released me out, but I'm actually going to rehab tomorrow.
Are you? Cool.
You doing good? You got anything on you I should know about? You mind if I check your pockets? All right, get up.
I just put everything that I had in my pocket.
Empty your pockets right here.
So can we stop now?
Huh?
Can we stop now? Now that you're checking me?
Hang on, I'm gonna check your pockets, right?
Is that a cigarette case?
No, it's the money case.
Oh, money case. Yeah, you got a bag of change and you got money?
Yeah, my mom's been looking out for me.
That's nice.
Hang on. Keep your hands right here. Keep your stuff right here, buddy.
Why you took all of my stuff though? You already took all my bag. You said my bag. Alright, we gonna be cool after this? We cool after this?
Sure.
No more harassment? I take that back.
What's this?
For my bike.
Can I see that?
No. You just said that we were done. You just said we were done.
What do you mean? Hey.
What's in the container?
Just open it.
Nothing. I just don't want y'all to
What's in it?
searching me and stuff. And y'all had just told me that we were good.
No, we're not. What's in the containers?
There's nothing in the container.
Okay, so let me look and we'll be out of here.
But you just told me we were good.
Okay, that's fine. I was just calling the dog.
Okay, call.
All right.
You're gonna make us get a dog out here and to sniff your stuff.
Yes, because this is disrespectful.
It's disrespectful.
You went through my entire bag, didn't find nothing. Searched my entire body, didn't find nothing.
So it's not in the thing that you are just palming harder than anybody I've ever seen palm something before.
I just simply don't want y'all to like keep on doing this and make it happen.
All right, so have a seat down there. We're not gonna touch it. Nope. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Ow.
Flip over.
Uh-oh.
Flip over. Hands behind your back.
I'm tired of y'all harassing me all the time, 24/7, man.
Why you gotta be dumb, Braden?
What do that for?
Man, you're on probation for drugs.
Bro, I'm trying to get my life together and y'all sitting here harassing me. Like, what did I do?
You ran.
Because y'all won't leave me alone.
Where'd your little thing go? You know, you shouldn't have thrown that bag at me either, man.
What bag?
Your bag that you threw back at me.
I didn't throw a bag at you.
Yeah, you did. It was all on body cam, brother.
I promise I did. I grabbed my backpack and I ran. Because, bro, I'm tired of y'all simply always talking to me. And simply last time that y'all talked to me, you simply locked me up.
Yeah, because you had a bunch of drugs on you.
Baby, that's a decent amount of meth, huh?
Is that?
That's not mine. Bro,
you just threw it!
I just picked it up in the laundry room, though.
All right, we'll check the cameras.
Literally, I just picked it up.
We'll check the cameras, it's okay.
I just want to go to rehab and make my mom proud.
How are you going to go to rehab when you got a...
Bro, I have one day. I'm literally, they're picking me up in the morning and sending me away.
So when you pee at the rehab facility and they test you right off the bat, it's going to be clean?
No.
No, I know it's not.
Literally, my probation officer knows this too because I failed and she knows that I fucked up. That's why I'm going to rehab. So
when did you fail? When did you fail? When did you last pee for your probie?
I went yesterday.
Yesterday? What all's in that tin?
I just picked it up and opened it up.
Okay.
All right, so you don't know what's in there?
From the looks of it, I could tell right from a second glance it was ice.
Okay.
Ice?
Okay.
I don't want to go back to jail, bro.
You still got to go to trial for that, right?
I don't want to go to rehab. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
They're going to slam me with me.
So when you ran from us, that is obstruction of justice, okay? That's his bag, and then his stuff was in here. You throw anything in there before Officer Salazar made entry?
Oh, I just got here. As soon as you walked in the door, I sat down.
Where do you keep getting all your drugs from, man? How come every time we find you, you got a bunch of drugs on you?
None.
Nothing?
How much is in that tin?
It's a good amount.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
That's mostly yours.
All right now.